Alright, welcome back to my channel, and today is our 25th day of riding. It's already 5:30 in the morning. It's freezing cold out here. Yesterday we stayed at Sarchu. Sarchu is actually now in Himachal Pradesh. So yesterday we said adios to Leh Ladakh. It has been a fascinating journey so far. And today we are riding from Sarchu to Manali, which is again approximately around 200 kilometer plus. On the way, we'll be getting now Baralacha Pass. That's the last hurdle of our trip, I would say, and that need to be crossed again with lot of cautious, with lot of preparation. So our bikes are ready, and after Baralacha, we'll be scaling for another last pass of our journey, that is Shinkula top. We'll be just going on the top and we'll be coming back and then to Manali. So today's ride again gonna be a very adventurous. So stay tuned for more updates, and now I'm going to catch you up on the road. Check mic testing, check mic testing, check mic testing, check mic testing. चलो देवा तो पावरे बाबा परमेश्वरा शांतादुर्गे कनकादेवी महालक्ष्मी कामाक्षी परम शिवनाथा लक्ष्य असुनी बारालाचा आमचो बरो जावनी सेफली साउंडली एंड सक्सेसफुली. चलो लेट्स गो. वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग. It's actually 6:20 now. We were ready by 5:30. एक बड़ा कांड हो गया. Therefore it literally took us almost an hour. What happened is that suddenly my finger of my both hand turned numb. और यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? मारा क्या? पागल है क्या? Okay, these people are not allowing. Baralacha 33, Kelong 107, Manali 177. Okay, we may have to do the entry. Thank you. So it's 6:20. So what happened, as I was talking about, after tying my luggage to my bag, to my bike, we were getting ready to leave, and suddenly my fingers froze. Such thing has never happened, in last 23 days. That literally this is gonna be an adventure. This has never happened in last 23 days of my ride, that my fingers were froze to such a level that it actually started hurting me, paining me, and I was like in a severe pain, and almost I felt like I should just go home. Seriously, the pain was not bearable. Okay, wait, let this, I'll go this side. Come on baby, just little more. Yeah, कभी कभार शॉर्टकट भारी पड़ता है, you see. Okay, let's wait for some time. All right. Okay. Come on baby, little more. Yeah, done. Okay, I hope Shankar is coming. Yeah, okay. सुबह साला एक्सरसाइज करना पड़ा. Yeah, so the pain was such a terrible that almost I thought like just leave everything here and go home. Seriously, never felt like this. And then I went to the dhaba and his gas was on. I literally kept my both hands on the gas almost for 5 minutes, and teaser, yes, that was a teaser towards Baralacha. Shankar is saying Let's go slow and steadily. I literally kept my hands both on the gas burner. मनाली जाने का सर 8 बजे के बाद जाएंगे. हाँ ओके 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 कोई बात नहीं. ओके सो पुलिस इज़ नॉट अलाउिंग अस टू क्रॉस टिल 8 o'clock. एक मिनट ना निकालता हूँ. हाँ हाँ ओके ओके बर्फ़ जमा होता है बराबर. So 8 o'clock we got to go. So we got to wait for another hour and a half. As I was talking about, I literally had to keep my hands on the burner for 5 minutes. And then the first 2 fingers, I started feeling the senses in the first 2 fingers. Thumb was okay. There was no issue with thumb. And then after the next 5 minutes, all my 4 fingers were back to normal. And that was like, seriously, sense of relief. I was damn scared. Anyways, chalo, I'll catch you up after some time.
One eternity later.
Alright, so our entries have been done and now we are good to go to first Darcha. And Darcha is how much? God knows. Whatever. So first we'll scale Baralacha, which is 33 kilometers from here, and then we'll have probably lunch at Darcha. Let's see how it's gonna happen. Okay, so Mumbaikar is coming. Chalo, let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's rock and roll. Finally, bikes are allowed to travel. It was not almost. It was hour and a half sort of a break. Longest break, I would say. Every 10 minutes we were watching at our watch. Okay, so welcome to Himachal Pradesh. As I said yesterday, we left behind Ladakh until we come back again sometime in the future. When? I don't know. So right now we are in Himachal Pradesh and we got to cover up first Darcha. Climate is okay now. Probably once we hit Baralacha, that is where you will start feeling the altitude and the cold wind, cold blast and the freezing temperature. So far so good. Bike is performing extremely fantastic. I just hope that today we do Baralacha and Shinkula Pass, and then tomorrow I will service my bike. She needs servicing. My iron horse needs some pampering. Let's go slowly and steadily. My rear brakes are not working properly, so I am again depending totally on my front brake. So just remember that from Sarchu at police check post, bikers are allowed to go only after 8 o'clock and not before that. And I believe for cars, और ये हरियाणा के बंदे ना राजस्थान के. हाँ जी, अभी आपको हम वहीं पे मिले थे. अभी तो आपको वहीं पे मिले थे हम लोग. ऑप्शन नहीं है. पीछे देखो और कोई बाइकर वाला आता है तो सिंगल. सो ट्राई करो. ओके चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट. So these guys are from Rajasthan and they got a Harrier. So we just met them at the checkpost. They wanted to leave to Manali or at least Darcha. They got a problem with their Harrier. I don't know how. Problem is that it seems the clutch plate is gone. And we were surprised that how is it possible. Then after a little bit of our discussion, we got to know that probably this fellow doesn't know how to drive that car in the mountains, and clutch plate goes often the moment you use it half. So therefore you need to have a skill. Otherwise normally, because we have seen so many Harriers all along the way, they don't have this problem. We also saw one Ertiga yesterday had the same problem, and literally the Mumbaikar guy had to push along with some people. Same problem was for Creta. Clutch plates was not functioning properly. That's when you don't know the skill of riding the big car or the driving the big car. Hota hai. Let's not comment on their skill. Okay, so I hope they get somebody, a single rider who can take them to Darcha and get some mechanic and then fix their car. Otherwise they are stuck here. And look at the view. Wow, beautiful. I just hope and pray that my finger doesn't get freezed again at the high altitude, because we are almost done. This is our last day of adventure till we reach Manali, and after Manali it would be literally kind of a easy ride back home. सिर्फ आज के दिन 7 दिन मेरे भाई. Tomorrow you'll get good servicing. All your problem will be sorted out. Shankar is right behind me, and the Mumbaikar is very behind. He's riding very slow because of his bike issue. He can't ride beyond 20 kilometers of per hour speed, so he had to drive, or he has to ride slowly. But I am going to keep a watch on him as well, because we need to help each other now, just to cross Baralacha and Shinkula later. The updates which we got from some riders coming from Manali, that at Baralacha top, except 2-3 kilometers, rest of the road is very good. So I am expecting similar kind of environment or a condition like what we had at Tanglangla. Yeah, what happened? तो उल्ला फाटल्यान. He is riding very slow न्ही. तेजी बाईक वडना रे. तेजी बाईक वडना. चलो go. चल तू सुसरात. चलो हम भी आराम से जाएंगे. Our ascending ride to Baralacha has started. So we'll get lot of this now loops. I don't know how many. Slowly we need. Sleep zali mare. Okay. I'm okay. Bike got slipped. Okay, wait. Rara. Okay. Handle side please. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Rara. Wait for me. Okay, go. Okay. Black ice रे भाई. Black ice actually hello sleep. Okay. Black ice. तेरे में कंट्रोल कर बैठ रहा है कि नहीं मैं? जाओ ना. Black ice. Just a minute, wait, Tetra. I'll bring our bike over there. Black ice. You black ice. Good to go, baby. Good to go. Slowly. That was black ice, and I almost thought it was a water. I didn't realize that it was a black ice. My rear tire got skidded away, and that is where I lost the balance. I tried my best to control it, but it just split of a second that I had a fall. And this is my third fall, by the way, in the entire trip. What I experienced so far has been fascinating, seriously. Yeah, Shankar is a little scared now. I told him not to be. This is just one pass, baby. Let's make it slowly, steadily, because there's a lot of snow now. And one thing which I need to now learn, that do not take every water on the road as a water. 99% chances that it could be a black ice. That means I need to brake, wait, and slowly cover like this, which is gonna be next. Yeah. Don't worry. Slow, yeah. Let this truck come. We'll just follow the tire mark. Wait, let that truck also come. Slowly, baby, slowly. Yeah. See? Bloody hell. Wait, ट्रक भाई थोड़ा रुको. रुको हमको. आराम से. Thank you. So I think we are gonna get a lot of this on this Baralacha pass. और अपना मुंबईकर आगे चला गया है. We told him to go on because we'll catch him up somewhere later. Next 30 kilometers are very important till we reach top. and then the decline, you know, ride will start. I just hope there are no more black eyes like this. Seriously. रास्ता बंद तो कैसे जाने का भाई? नीचे से ऑफ रोडिंग. Okay. And a Mumbaikar bhai is right over there, making his way. Okay, they are constructing this bridge. Therefore, we have to go through this diversion. Again, there is a lot of now slush, ice, water. Stay in middle, stay in middle. Avoid this snow and ice. Okay, truck is coming. Let's take side. Okay, baby. Shankar is right behind me, right? Where is he? I can't see him. Come on, yeah, okay, he's coming. We got to go over there in that valley. I can see a track mark there. In fact, I saw a vehicle also coming from that side. So once we cross that, probably I think we'll reach to the top of the Baralacha, right over there. So that route or that stretch of probably 5 to 10 kilometers, I believe, would be full of challenges. Chalo dekhte hain how things gonna pan out now. Okay, more water. Water means now I'm getting scared. Slowly, it's a water. Okay, not black ice. Let's cross this mountain, baby. White mountain. The last hurdle, pass number 14. Let's do this, let's do this. Okay, so it's gonna be a black ice here. Yes, slowly, you know, go from the middle, go from the middle, go from the middle, come this side. Somebody is coming from the opposite direction very fast. I need to go to the other side. I am on the wrong side. Okay, never mind. Okay, this is a water crossing. Okay, fine. Slowly. Okay, chalo, अच्छी बात है. Slowly. Lots and lots of ice and snow. Come on, Shankar. I'm Susagat Baba. We got to go right up there in the valley. Fingers have frozen. Come on. Whenever you got a good road like this, speed it up so that you can cover up distance quickly. So far so good. Road is good. All right. Water crossing. Yeah, slowly. Black eyes over here, see? It looks like a water, but it is not. Okay, slowly. Okay. Slowly, baby. Go through this. Yeah. Okay, careful Shankar, careful. Okay, कुछ तो लोचा होइला इधर, lot of snow, so we got to wait and cross this water crossing. All right. Okay. Let's do this, baby. Let's do this slowly. Okay, come from this side. Yeah, good one, good one, good one. Almost there. Okay, I think this vehicle got stuck here. Okay, okay, okay. Little more. All right, all right, all right, all right. Great, great. Let's wait for Shankar. I hope he's coming. Yes. Chalo, let's go. Let's continue. This is Baralacha, baby. Welcome to Baralacha. Okay, slowly, slowly. My GoPro battery has reached half of its life. I don't know whether battery will survive a full pass or not. If not, sorry, I won't be changing it in middle. Whatever you can get to say, enjoy. It's freaking cold. Okay, let's go this side. Okay, 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 okay. Let's cross this side. Are we there yet? No. We got a long way to go. Got a long way to go. Shankar, where are you? Where are you, man? Okay, you're coming. All right. Let's go slowly and steadily. Let's go this side. Okay. Shankar? Yeah, you're coming. Okay. I think this is a stretch what they were talking about, around 2 to 3 kilometers. Very bad patch. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Okay, let's wait here because another vehicle is coming from opposite direction. Let that vehicle pass. Yeah, okay. Okay. My alarm is ringing Caradam right now. Oops. Chal. Okay, okay. Shankar, where are you, man? Okay, come on, baby. Good, 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 good. Okay, I think this is the old road and this is new road, looks like. Lot of trucks have got stuck here. on the Baralacha. Almost we saw 3-4 trucks, and now more two in front. In fact, they are stuck. Maybe need some repair work. God knows whether they will get or not. Look at this truck, yaar, how is tilting. Damn. I believe we are almost there on the top. Okay, let's hope for the best. This is freaking, man. Okay. Open my visor. I think we are there, almost right on top. Looks like, because I can see some prayer flags at a distance of distance of a kilometer, or maybe and a half a kilometer, in fact. Okay, slowly, baby. Okay, let's go to this patch. Okay, let me change my gear and let's go. Okay. Come on, baby. All right, thank you. Come on, Shankar. We are almost there on top of the Baralacha. Almost there. I can see some flags, prayer flags. I hope it is the top. Okay, slowly, baby. Slowly. Another truck is stuck here. Okay. Oh no, I think this is not the top. Popped ho gaya mera. I thought this was a top. Shankar is there right behind me. More snow. Slowly, baby, slowly, yeah. Okay, I think here we have reached. This is the top of Baralacha. There are many bikers who have stopped. Whoa! Finally, the pass number 12. We are here at Baralacha. Finally, man. Let's take a picture right over there. Whoa, dude, we did it. Baralacha, altitude 4,850 meter. Convert it into fits and you'll get the answer. Finally, man, pass number 14. Here we are. Did it, man. Cold, but finally we did it. Here you have Baralacha. So here we are at Baralacha top, and here is the board. Baralacha altitude is 4,850 meters. If you convert it into fits, then you'll get the right answer. Anyways, I will update you guys later on. So this is the pass number 14 of my epic journey from Goa to Leh. Wow, finally we did it. In fact, I had a fall also. Just at the beginning there was a black ice and I thought it was a water. Totally lost the balance and I had a fall. Never mind, fantastic journey. This is a temple of Barlacha God. Thank you, God. Bless us, bless our ride. See you guys on the road. Shankar, all okay? Great. Catch you up on the road.